We're here at the example table, and in this video we're going to take an overview of properties of exponents. So let's start with an example. Suppose we want to rewrite 3 to the 4th times 3 to the 7th. Well, we can expand 3 to the 4th. This is 3 times itself 4 times. And we can expand 3 to the 7th. This is 3 times itself 7 times, which means that we have a total of 11 3's. So this is simply 3 to the 11th power. So the property in general, property 1, is that a to the b times a to the c is a to the b plus c. This b plus c is all in the exponent. And note that these bases are the same. Let's do another example. Let's suppose that we have 9 to the 7th divided by 9 squared. Well, let's expand the top. We get 9 times itself 7 times. In the denominator, we get 9 times itself twice. Two of these 9's in the denominator, I should say both of these 9's in the denominator, cancel 2 of the 9's in the numerator, leaving 5 9's remaining. In general, we get property 2, which is a to the b over a to the c is a to the b minus c. Now, once again, b minus c, this entire expression is in the exponent. Also note that we don't know what this means yet for values of b and c for which this is negative. So for us right now, a, b, and c are all positive integers. We're going to talk about negative exponents later on. Let's look at another example. Suppose we want to raise the quantity 4 squared to the 3rd power. We can write this as 4 squared times itself 3 times. And using the property 1, we can add these exponents to get 4 to the 6th. So from this, we get property 3, which is that a to the b raised to the power of c is a to the b times c. So this b times c is the exponent. Just to note, there's nothing sacred about this numbering. Property 3 is just property 3 because that's the order we did it in. Let's do one more example. Let's look at 4 times 7 to the 3rd power. This is 4 times 7 times 4 times 7 times 4 times 7. But because multiplication is commutative, we can reorder this in any way we want to, so we can group all 3 4's together and all 3 7's together. In other words, if we have a product being raised to a power, we can distribute that power to each term in the product. In general, we get property 4, which is a times b to the c is a to the c times b to the c. And I'll leave it to you to verify that a divided by b to the c is a to the c divided by b to the c.